This is the XAG Smart Fertigation System. Now, you can manage your farm with a simple tap on the smartphone. Designed and built for easy installation, it integrates seamlessly with the existing irrigation systems. This enables automated fertigation, delivering precise amounts of water and nutrients to crops exactly when they are needed. Simply set up your irrigation plan on the smartphone, and the system will take care of the rest. The water pump, fertilizer injectors, and electric valves automatically work together to distribute water and nutrients evenly to the roots of each plant, ensuring a stress-free fertigation experience. The XAG power switch offers timed control to start and stop the water pump, ensuring a steady water supply with minimal effort. The fertilizer injectors monitor nutrient concentration and levels in real time. The smart electric valve, equipped with high-precision sensors, detects water pressure and automatically adjusts for even fertigation. The XAG Farm app provides real-time irrigation data and intuitive access to equipment status. You can get instant alerts on any issues and manage with confidence. Detailed reports are generated after each operation to help you stay on top of all tasks and crop performance. Whether it's open fields, orchards, greenhouse, or gardens, the XAG Smart Fertigation System helps you grow more of it. The pump-driven injectors and pressurized injectors can be compatible with a range of fertilizer tanks. Smart electric valves have multiple configurations that work with both open and concealed water pipes. With 4 power supply options for varying run times, the valves can flexibly adapt to different irrigation schedules. For orchards, tall crops, and areas with signal obstacles, an external antenna model ensures reliable wireless communications. The XAG local server creates a secure, dedicated farm network for stable connectivity and data protection. When paired with the wireless relay, it extends signal range, making your operations smoother and more efficient. Higher yields with less inputs. Boost your farm productivity with the XAG Smart Fertigation System.